In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show and hide dashboard containers using Tableau. This simple yet powerful technique can enhance the interactivity of your dashboards, making them more dynamic and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Tableau app open on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, visit Tableau's official website, download the application, and follow the installation instructions. Once you're set, let's proceed with loading your data. Loading your data into Tableau is crucial before creating dashboards. If you're new here, start by connecting to your data source. Select Connect to Data from Tableau's Start page and navigate to the file or server containing your data. Tableau supports various formats, including Excel, text files, and databases. This step ensures that Tableau has all the relevant data needed to display in your dashboards and allows it to work its magic, transforming raw data into powerful visual insights. Next, we'll focus on the dashboard itself. Navigate to the top menu and click on Dashboard. This action will bring up the dashboard workspace where you structure your visual elements. You're now ready to add containers to your dashboard. A container in Tableau is a way to group multiple dashboard elements, such as charts, tables, or other visuals, into a cohesive block, allowing easy manipulation of these components as a single entity. Now, locate and select a container within your dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the outline of any container you want to make dynamic with a show or hide functionality. Choosing the right container is an essential step, as this will be the one which will gain interactivity through the Show Hide button you'll add. Once you've selected your container, the next step focuses on enhancing interactivity. Right-click on your selected container. This reveals several options, among which you will find Add Show Hide button. Click on it. This is the magic tool that allows you to toggle the visibility of your selected containers. Once clicked, a button is automatically added to your dashboard. This button can be moved and positioned just like any other object within your dashboard canvas. You can customize its appearance by changing its colors, size, and text to suit your design needs, ensuring it integrates seamlessly with your dashboard's aesthetic. And there you have it. You've successfully added a dynamic Show Hide button to your Tableau dashboard. Understanding this feature can significantly enhance the user experience by letting viewers focus on the most relevant parts of the data when needed. Continue exploring additional customizations in Tableau to further elevate the interactivity and usability of your dashboards. Until next time, happy dashboarding with Tableau!